Welcome to today's Cultural Mission, where we will be seeing the national treasure, the Gishora Drum Sanctuary. We will see the history of Burundi drumming and the way it has transcended time from generation to generation. Stay tuned until the end so you may see a fun fact about Burundi that you may not have known. According to Iwacu Burundi, in pre-colonial times, drumming marked the regulation of the activities of the royal family. Drumming marked the beginning and the end of royal activities for the royal family. Secondly, drumming marked important events like the Umuganuro party and ceremony where the king blessed the people and also started and opened the season of cultivation. And lastly, drumming marked the inauguration of a new king and the death of an old king. Playing drums has moved from generation to generation in Burundi's culture. We see that Oscar Nshimirimana says not only did his father play drums, but so did his grandparents as well. He is the leader of the sanctuary. So we see that it is something that has moved from generation to generation for so many families, not to mention the leaders. Now, it's time for the fun fact. Did you know that it is only men who can exclusively play drums in Burundi? Why? It is believed that there is a symbolism of a woman's body and the making of these traditional drums. For more information, check the description with the link to an article giving full details on all things drum making. Join us again every Mondays and Wednesday for this cultural mission. It's been Elsa for Linox TV.